anywhere there's chicken burritos nearby, the sharkfish emerges.
We're leaving our place near Cloud 9. We're gonna drive about an hour to get to the Magpupungko tide pools. We're stoked about that. It's a really nice day. And then we'll see how the day goes, but we're gonna try to get up to Pacifico.
Let's go.
You have to pay an entry fee of about $1 US. You have to pay a moped entry fee of like 10 cents. And then you have to pay for parking, which is like 20 cents. So it's not a lot of money, it's just annoying that it's 3 separate fees.
We hope we timed the tide correctly. It's almost low tide, according to Magic Seaweed. A lot of people here today. We heard some rumors that they're closing it on Monday for some repairs. I don't know for how long, but I guess a lot of people are coming today because this is the day to go. It's Friday.
We walked around what I call Chubby Boulder, and there's even more tide pools over here. Not gonna do that. There's all these great little pockets where even on a crowded day like today, nobody over here. There's this beautiful little canyon. We can stand. I don't know, man. I love this place. I thought this would be something we do for half an hour, but there's sandy beach here, there's food. You pay to get in, so you should stay. Like, this is a place where I think you can easily spend a couple hours and make it just like a lunch stop or a morning breakfast kind of hang, depending on where the tide is. So give yourself a lot more time than you think you want, because it's more than just like, oh hey, a little pool. You can swim, you can jump, you can... Very fun. Pacifico's got that white sand beach that I think a lot of people are expecting from General Luna. Super shallow, beautiful blue tide pools. There's like 3 other people here.
Shawn walked away for a minute and I have 3 guard dogs. We're back in General Luna. We're at White Banana Beach Club. We made it here just in time for their happy hour from 4 to 5 p.m. Should be a beautiful night. Perfect way to end our day. So in the Magpupungko pools, there's rumor that a Shawnfish lives here. It's never been seen before, never been caught on eye. What was that? Like the abominable snowman, the Yeti, Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, Nessie. Shawnfish has never been captured, always been wild, never been tamed, and may or may not be here. Shawnfish travels long distances.